In this video, we are sharing a comprehensive demonstration of the PlainID offering, Access Control for Agentic AI. This platform is built specifically to enforce zero-standing privileges on all identities in the organization. With highly granular rules, our policies can enforce just-in-time sessions, ensuring that access is only granted for the specific duration of a task. We start with our access graph. This provides a powerful end-to-end connectivity view, tracing identities all the way through to the resources they attempt to access. On the left-hand side, identity providers like Entra and Okta show exactly which applications they are currently connected to. These applications may utilize a variety of different agentic platforms, such as Agent Core on AWS or Vertex AI on Google Cloud, to reach specific resources. By drilling down into the graph, we can investigate and govern the entire relationship of access throughout the organization. In the application workspace, we can see a comprehensive library of all existing policies. This view allows us to see exactly what they govern and what specific tools they are utilizing, including a significant amount of helpful metadata. From here, we can build a new policy from scratch, using our no-code policy builder. Our goal for this policy is to ensure that only financial officers can utilize agents to access specific financial information while strictly excluding all others. By selecting the Finance Managers group as our identity, access is denied by default to anyone outside of this specific group. Now we will choose our agent. We are going to select the Financial Analyst agent, located under Agent Core. By assigning this specific agent to the policy, we ensure it is governed by the guardrails and identity restrictions we've established. Next, we define our input guardrails to govern what a user can ask and who can ask it. By applying an ERP finance filter, we ensure a user can only ask finance-related questions. Queries regarding other topics, like HR, are immediately blocked. Next, let's add an MCP Tools guardrail to control exactly which tools can be accessed by the agent. Using our conversational interface, I'll simply enter the request, "Show me all the finance tools." I'd like to pull and add the Order RDBMS tool, which allows the agent to query specific SQL databases to the policy. As you can see, this tool has been successfully added to our policy configuration. Then, I'd like to control the information pulled from the knowledge base through RAG and actually apply filters before data is even retrieved. I'll restrict the agent to financial reports and also add a location filter so users only see reports relevant to their specific region. This ensures that a user in the UK sees UK reports, while a US user sees US documentation, automatically maintaining data sovereignty and regional compliance. Finally, I'll add an output guardrail to make sure the generated response is compliant and that only necessary data is being shared. This part of the platform leverages our built-in masking capability. In this case, I'll apply a global PII filter to ensure no sensitive information like credit card numbers or private IDs is shared in the output. Once we save this as financial officers access, the policy is active and governed across our entire infrastructure. To see this in action, we're using a demonstration application built on LangChain. This emulates an enterprise environment with an agent, an MCP gateway, and a RAG repository. First, with all security settings turned off, we ask a generic question about growth expectations. As you can see, we receive an unfiltered answer for both regions, based purely on existing tools. Now I'll turn on the security settings, essentially connecting the agent to the PlainID policy. You can see in this example that the user is a CFO based in the US. I'm going to ask the same question, but now, with our access controls in place, I expect to receive a filtered reply. And in fact, the result is now filtered strictly for the US market. If we change the region to EMEA and ask the same question, we can see that the answer is different. This time, the information is associated specifically with that region, showing the policy is working as intended. Lastly, if a chief marketing officer asks the same question, they are blocked right away. Although they are a C-level user, because they are not part of the authorized financial group, the system denies them any financial information. This concludes our demonstration of the PlainID platform, enforcing security from the user through the agent to MCP servers and data retrieval, all the way to the final answer. Thank you.